Rachel Belch here with the Cameron team at Coldwell Banker Seacoast Advantage. Welcome to 3204 Aster Court in Wilmington. It's located in the Whisper Creek neighborhood and the Hoggard School District. This home offers over 2,500 square feet on one level and sits on over a half-acre lot. It's got lots of surprises. Let's come check them out. Surprise! There's a beautiful water feature in the courtyard. You can enjoy this any day of the week. Let's see what other surprises are inside. The foyer welcomes you into the living room, dining area, and kitchen. Here we have access to the backyard. The kitchen has quartz countertops, tile backsplash, soft close cabinets, arranged with a double oven, gas stove, and a hood that vents outside. It also has a pantry and stainless steel appliances. Let's check out the family room. Down the hall, you'll see a half bath, a pantry, access to the two-car garage, and a storage room. The family room has a gorgeous brick fireplace, built-in cabinetry, access to the outside deck, and surprise, a wet bar. This is a game changer on game day. Back in the foyer, you have two coat closets, and on the other side of the home, you have the 4 bedrooms. Down the hall, you'll find a washer and dryer. The primary has 2 windows looking out to the backyard. This home has LVP flooring in the primary bedroom and throughout the house. The entire house has been freshly painted. There's a large walk-in closet. The primary bathroom has double sinks, a skylight, and a rainfall waterfall shower with 5 jet heads, 3-function handheld rain massage system. Outside the primary bedroom, you'll find a full bathroom that has double sinks, lots of storage, a tub shower combo with a rain shower head. At the end of the hall, you'll find a large linen closet. There are 2 bedrooms that are 13 by 13 at the front of the house with large windows, nice sized closets, and crown molding. And the 4th bedroom has a surprise. Surprise! This could be an office or a bedroom. It's got all this lovely built-in shelving that you can keep all your books or your collectibles. You can also see that there's ample storage in this room. It also has this awesome drop-down desk. Ta-da! Time to work. The home also offers ample parking and a side-load double garage with an insulated garage door. And I got one more surprise for you. Surprise! The garage has lots of storage. We got shelving on the wall and your own storage loft. Now it's time to check out this beautiful 0.6 acre lot. The fenced-in backyard has a beautiful patio and a massive deck for entertaining. The patio and deck can also be covered with shade sails. The backyard also has a rain barrel, raised flower beds, a wired shed with a window AC unit. If you'd like more information about this beautiful home, you can contact me at 910-840-3380, or you can check it out on thecameronteam.net. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube page. Thank you so much for stopping by.